The U.S. criminal justice system isn't working well. Fixing the U.S. criminal justice system provides an in-depth look from a conservative perspective at the many flaws in the system and how to fix them. The topics covered include how families suffer severe collateral damage, alleged misconduct by the police, how powerful prosecutors misbehave, when judges show bias and exceed their judicial power, and how the media make matters worse with their sensational coverage. It concludes with 9 prescriptions to fix our broken criminal justice system.